Having a great digital product to sell could help you make thousands of dollars. But sometimes the hardest part is figuring out what to sell and then putting it together. What if you didn't have to do that at all? What if it was just made for you? You could buy it and then you could sell it just like you resell wholesale items. That's what I have for you today. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So look at the screen here. This is my Authority OS, Authority Operating System. And right now you see at the time of this filming that this is on sale for $99. And this is what it is. So it says ready to launch. You can spend months building your first digital product, or you can launch one today, meaning today, with everything already done for you. So the first products you have here are Hiring OS, Prompt Shop OS, which is also called Prompt Shop in a Box, and YouTube OS. Hiring OS is a complete hiring system to find, track, and onboard top talent. Streamline your recruitment process. And it looks like this. So this is the sales page for Hiring OS. And actually, this is between $97 and $197 retail recommended price. And then it helps you hire with confidence, protect your time, and find the right fit. So this is what people would come to. And I sell this currently right now for $97. And it has like the page has like a little survey to make sure you're at the right place where you should hire. It has my information here just to talk to you a little bit, a calculator to see how much you're losing by not hiring. And it's for solopreneurs, right? So this is kind of like the overall of this particular product. So when you buy this, when someone would buy this, they would get a Notion template that has so much in it. All of the documents you need, all of the processes you need, all of the spreadsheets you need. And it's probably worth maybe 1 or 2,000 at least because of everything you get in one pack. What I'm saying to you is on my Authority S website, you can actually not only buy that, which is this, but you can buy the license to resell it. It's already packaged and you just resell it. I don't make any commissions. I don't get any, I don't get any money. I'm not connected. You connect your own payment link. Or like if you have PayPal, Stripe, it's just yours and it's on your laptop or right desktop. It's not connected to me. You just pay me one time to get the license and you get the product and the instructions of how to resell it. And you get a prompt, which is like the inputs that you would put into an AI, a platform to recreate this sales page. You're not even going to get the sales page because the sales page links to my payment link. You'll get the prompt that you just copy and paste into Lovable, Replit, one of these things, and I teach you how to do that. And you get your own version of this. So it would have your picture on it. It would have your information on it. And it would be your product that you're selling. It's like white labeling or doing it wholesale. If you ever went to Costco or Sam's and you went there and you bought a bunch of candy, which I used to do, buy a bunch of candy and resell it, this is what that is. So that's just one of them. The other one, the next one is Prompt Shop in a Box. You probably heard me talk about this, but if you haven't, it's basically 125 of my best-selling prompts, which I have sold each for $3 to $97. I've sold thousands of them, and you get all of those and more inside Prompt Shop in a Box, and that looks like this. So you get all this information that tells you about Prompt Shop in a Box. So this is Prompt Shop in the Box, right? This is not the front-facing offer. You would sell the prompts on your own, which you get all of these different ways you could sell it on Stan Store or with the PayPal link or through email or on Instagram or on Lovable. Like you get different options and I teach you how to do depending on which one you want to do. And I'll tell you which one to do on School, for instance, if you don't know which one to do. So you don't have to make a lot of decisions. I just tell you what to do if you don't want to decide. So that's another one. So this is like you might decide to, okay, I want to resell the hiring operating system because I know a lot of people who are hiring and this will help them and they'll pay for it. Or you may say, I don't know a lot of people who are hiring right now, but I do know people who could use some really incredible prompts. So I'll buy that in bulk. And then the other one that I just launched is, I mean, I just launched them all, but just launched this one yesterday, is YouTube OS, which is streamlined YouTube system to plan, produce, optimize, and grow your channel with clarity, consistency, and proven creator tools. So you can read this if that was a lot. It's a lot for one sentence. And that takes you over to my Stand store, where you just pick it up and it tells you everything that's in it, why it exists. And again, I'm selling these too, like, so this is the OS. So anytime it says OS, anytime it's on this page, this Authority OS, this is kind of like your business in a box, right? Business in a box. So you buy this, and hopefully, let me know if this is confusing in the comments, and I'll make another video. But you're basically buying the rights to resell the businesses that I've created. So I created this hiring business. I created this prompt shop business. I created this YouTube OS business. And you're buying all the stuff on the back end that you can then sell, and you get the information or some sort of prompt that helps you sell it, that gives you the page. This is how one person in my group from the prompt shop, she actually made more than $2,000 in the last 4 days by doing this. And there are other people who have done stuff too. So this, we have more coming soon. I say I'm doing this. So I have more coming soon. And it's very, very exciting. And it's basically sell proven digital offers. I'm going to put the link in the description below. I will also put it in the pinned comment. So if you don't find it in the description because it's been a few months since I made this video, just look in the pinned comment for it. Built, tested, and ready to sell today. And then there's more information. That's what Authority OS gives you. It gives you a complete digital product, a sales page, and a delivery system already done for you. Each of these. You get full resale rights. You can put your name, your brand, and make your profits from it. Again, I do not take any money from it. You pay me one time, whatever the price is at that time. Right now, it's $99 each. You buy one or you buy them all. It's your choice. And then you get to just resell it and run with it. I also give you step-by-step setup so you can launch in hours, not months. And you can even launch, so this one, like any of them, you can launch in a few minutes, honestly, if you wanted to. Now, some of them, like the prompt shop, you have so many ideas and you can kind of run with the different ideas, but you can get one prompt up in minutes. Hiring Out OS and YouTube OS are just made. They're just pre-made for you. Prompt Shop has a lot more options. These two are just made, and they're all pretty awesome. Then this tells you a little bit more. So the problem, most entrepreneurs get stuck at the starting line. Do you feel that way? Let me know in the comments if you are like, I know I want to do a digital product, but I don't know where to start. You have the ideas, but you don't have the time. You get overwhelmed by the tech, or you fear, what if nobody buys it? Meanwhile, you're watching others launch while your domain name collects dust. This gives you, it eliminates all of that. It's plug and profit. You know, they say plug and play. It's plug and profit. What you actually get, you get the Notion product dashboard. You get sales page prompt for Lovable, checkout setup guide, marketing scripts and post templates, license and customization instructions. So if you're like, okay, this is great, I'll have it, but I don't know how to sell it, I teach you that too. Okay, so you choose your box, and you can do more than one if you want. You purchase it once. Usually I have them for $97 to $197 for that one-time investment. You then customize it when you get you're going to get an email that'll give you the stuff, and then you'll go in and customize it, and you can start selling it immediately under your own label. You sell it once, you've earned your money back. So the reason I have it at this low rate at $99 is because usually this is like the low end of what I suggest you retail it for. Like you're getting the whole kind of system and then the product on the back end. I mean, on the front end, you would sell it for like 99 or sell it for 197. So my goal, I know it sounds a little weird, but my goal is you buy it once and you make your money back with your first sale. That's really exciting to me. That's why you could conceivably, like somebody, not everybody, and I make no financial claims, but somebody may buy hiring OS for $99 and make $10,000 from it or more. And that's cool with me because I want to see you win, right? I don't want to take all of the market for myself. If you sell it 10 times, you've built a digital income stream. So if you make $1,000 from it or 2,000, you've built that income stream. And that's year round, right? You don't need a tech degree. You don't need to wait for a launch. You don't need a complex funnel. I teach you how to do all. And again, I've built dozens of 5 and 6 figures. So 5,000, 6,000. Sorry, 5 figure is more like 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, and then 6 figures, like 100,000 more. I've built those offers where something makes me $50,000 in a month. I can spin up a new digital business in a day or in minutes. And I realize that most people just need that first product to get going. So instead of only teaching you, which I do in my memberships and here on YouTube, I'm handing you the assets. I'm handing you the business in a box. Think of it as your own personal product factory. I build, you brand, you bank. Okay? It's the business. So if you're a creator, a coach, you want to add a digital product fast. Oh, by the way, if you already have a product, you're a coach, you do one-on-ones, you do high ticket, any of that, you can add this in. This is just something you can now offer to your customers, right? So that you might have customers that are entrepreneurs and you say, okay, do you want any help hiring? Instead of you going out and putting all these documents together and figuring it out and spending weeks and procrastinating and leaving money on the table, buy this from me for $99 or $197 or $149 and you get hiring OS. And because you bought it from me wholesale on this page, which is linked below, you have the resale rights for it. It's also for service providers ready for passive income, solopreneurs who don't have time to start from zero, entrepreneurs who love my systems but want them turnkey. So if you've been following me for a while, you love the products that I put out for you, and you're like, I want to resell that, not just as an affiliate, like I do with my memberships, which is cool, but like I want to actually just put my face on that. I want to put my name and call it like Rebecca's hiring OS or Lakeisha's YouTube OS. I just want it to be mine, but I don't have to do the work. All I have to do is promote it. That's for you. And this is from a real conversation we had on a call. You had me at 197. When can I give you my card? This was on a live call. Yeah. So that's what it is right now. These prices, change as they change, but that's what I want to show you right now. I'm going to keep it like between 97 and 199. That's kind of the goal for each one. And let me know in the comments if there's one that you want me to make. Okay? If there's one that you want me to, and you don't even have to know a lot about it, you can just say, I work with these types of people. What kind of product can you make for me? And if I like it, I might create an entire product and sell you the rights for it. So let me know in the comments what you're thinking, if this is interesting to you. Let me know if it's confusing or if you love it or both. And definitely, definitely go to the link so you can look around for yourself. When you click through, you get to see them, get more information about each one. And about 500 people have purchased Prompt Shop OS or Prompt Shop in a box since I think it's been about less than 4 weeks. So 500 people in 4 weeks have done that. It's really, really cool. So that's my bestseller. This one hiring OS is super premium because it just helps you do everything you need to do to onboard somebody. And then YouTube OS is my latest one. Another thing I want to show you, speaking of YouTube, I made this tool for you. Where is it? Where did I put it? I made this tool for you. Oh, I think I lost the tool. Give me a second. I'll get it back. Okay, so I made this tool for you last night and I wanted to get it over to you. And I'll put the link to it in the pinned comment and the description. I'm going to show you. So this is for anybody who's on YouTube or wants to be on YouTube. One of the things I teach you about YouTube, let me see, is that your thumbnail. So a thumbnail is this, okay, this picture that you see when you clicked on this, video, you saw a thumbnail most likely. And it's the thing that helps people know, oh, I should click on that. So they have the title and then the thumbnail, and that's part of your packaging. So the thumbnail is really important because a bad thumbnail or one that's like really cluttered or doesn't grab your attention or is confusing doesn't get clicks. If you don't get clicks, you don't get views. So it's always a good thing if you can get more clicks and have a better CTR, click-through rate. And so what I did was I made this visualizer. This Arlan's YouTube thumbnail visualizer is free. You can use it. I put the link up. And you see how there's already these pre-filled thumbnails that are real. These are all real. All you have to do is upload yours. So you just go into whatever thumbnail you're about to use. And see, I'll put my thumbnail let's see, I'll put this one. Okay, so I uploaded this thumbnail that I will use. And then it says, see your thumbnail below. And then you can put your own title. So I'll say, how to make, or like the new way to make a landing page in 3 minutes. No tech skills required. Like this pretty solid title, right? So you have that and you have the title, which is the packaging. And then all of a sudden it shows up here. So you get to see it as you scroll. So you would just kind of scroll it and see if it catches your attention. It kind of does. I like it. I think it's nice. Maybe I turn the blue into another color to be like a yellow to catch my eye more. But you see how if you do this, it will help you before you even post your video to have an even better chance. So I'll do another one to show you what I mean. So I'll do one with one that I think is maybe even more catchy. And we'll see, like this one. 10K before January. That's interesting, right? And then it shows up here, and yeah, it definitely caught my attention, even more so than the last one. So it had to do with that red. So it's like, okay, the red is catching my attention. The words are bigger. Interesting. Okay. So maybe, I'll use that one, right? And I'll see how it goes. And I can always change it on YouTube, but I'll see how it goes. So it's just like a cool way for you to have like a leg up before you post. And there's other platforms who have that, but you pay for it. So this one's for free. So I just wanted to give you that as my gift for sticking around in this video. A lot of people don't stick around this long, so a lot of people missed it, but you get to see it and get to hang out and use it. So I hope this is helpful to you. I'm excited to see your questions, your comments, your feedback. And all I'm doing is like trying to be in service to helping you make more money faster. I hope it's working.